Good morning. This morning we are making almond milk. First, I soaked this almond inside of this jar with water, just drinking water for minimum 3 hours. I put this overnight. And then what we're going to do is pour the water out. This is my second time doing this, so that's why you see the water is cleaner than it should. So here, we're gonna pour this in. So we're gonna have 3 cups of drinking water. So this is 1 cup. This jar has the measurement on there. I like this jar. Put 2 cups. And 1 more. 3 cups. You can add more than 3 cups if you want to. 3 cups should be good. And then I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can add any salt, but I like this kind of salt right here. A 1/4. And then we need to add dates. You can put 5 or 7 if you like it's very sweet. You're gonna add 7, but I like to have 5. And this is the size of it. If you get a big one, then you just need a few. But these are very small. So I'm going to add, let's see, 5. All right, add 5 and close it. When I turn this on, it's gonna be a little bit noisy. This is a Vitamix. This is how you use it. First thing is I'm gonna grind this. Okay, then I'm going to turn it on. The way you turn a Vitamix machine is that. And then once I turn it on, I'm going to move this to number 10 so that it can grind all of the almond out, and then move it back to number 1 and turn it off. So let's take a look. Turn it on. Again, I just turn it back to number 1 and push this down to turn it off. Now this should be good. The next thing we're going to do is to take it out. Let's have a taste of it. It's good. It smells really good too. So I have this cloth. What we're going to do right now is pour this inside, pour it out so that we only get the juice of the almond and the milk. Just get the milk of the almond, and then the pulp gonna be inside this bag, okay? So this is what we're going to do next. Let's bring this camera down. Right here so you can see. Okay, we're going to pour this in this bag. If you don't have a bag, you can just put in any cloth. Not any cloth, the thin cloth. Then you take this up. And you squeeze out the milk. And that's the finished product right here. You know, with the Vitamix, when you put it to number 10 in a few minutes, this milk actually getting warm. See this? This is the milk, and this is the fresh milk. Usually when I do almond milk, I can drink it by itself, or I leave it in a jar, and then whenever I'm ready to make smoothie, I put like half a cup or one whole cup inside of that Vitamix jar, and then I'm going to add kale, spinach, banana. I usually drink that for breakfast to work, or throughout the morning until lunchtime. By the way, I'm trying to do the vegan diet. Not totally 100% vegan. Why? This is healthy that way. What we're going to do is pour this back into Vitamix so that I can pour in a cup. Earlier I was drinking water. Why do I have a spoon? So, pour this in. Ta-da! And here you have a cup of almond milk. Let's taste it to see how it is. It's actually really good. We don't have a napkin in here. I just use a towel. Again, this is good. Look at this milk. Looking good, right? Ooh, look at this. Then what I'm going to do is I put this in a mason jar that I used earlier, like this one right here. So, just put it in here. And then I'm gonna let this cool down first. You don't want to close the lid on it when it's warm like this because it's gonna spoil quickly. You can leave this for 1 to 2 days, maximum 3 days, but no more than that. Alright, thank you for watching. This is how you make almond milk.